on the shore where the sun kisses the sea. Virgin beach calling out to me. White sands beneath my wandering feet. In the arms of Bali, my heart finds its beat. Crystal clear waters, tranquil embrace, dancing reflections, a magical space. Palm trees sway to the gentle breeze, a paradise painted where time seems to freeze. At Virgin Beach where dreams are born, in the warmth of the sun, every worry is worn. Balinese smiles like the dawn's golden hue. Every moment here feels vibrant and new. Let the tides carry our laughter away. In this haven of peace, we'll forever stay.